Good morning, children. Let us continue the class. Yesterday, what we have studied, we have studied the lesson number 1, safety and first aid. This is safety inside the house, not only inside the house, but we have to follow the safety at outside. Certain rules are there as we are following inside the house, means the heat and fire while working near the gas stove. There also we have to be careful, and while using the sharp edges, isn't it? The sharp knife, blades and screwdrivers, and those are the sharp edges. While using it, we have to be very careful. So, etc. Those things we have, and the bathroom also, slips and trips. These things also, danger from the slips and trips also. This also we have studied about. These many points we have covered, and danger from the poison also, means whatever the medicines are there, leftover medicines. So that is also you should not throw here and there. That is also very dangerous, and without seeing the consuming the medicines is not good for the health. Now second point, second heading is what? Safety outside your home. Safety outside your home means what? We all are going outside, isn't it? For working or any sightseeing also, or some work purpose we all are going outside. But when we are driving, are we going by walk always? No, we are using the vehicles, isn't it? Whether it is a public vehicle or private vehicle, we are using the vehicle for the long distances, isn't it? So that is why we need to follow the certain rules on the roadside, isn't it? Then not only on the roadside, but when we are strangers, so public places, wherever we are going in the public places, we have to be very careful. Especially the small children should not go alone. Don't leave the elders hand, fingers. So you have to be with them very careful. So these are the things. And strangers from the stray animals. What are those? Let us discuss now, because we all like to go outside and explore what is there around the world. Isn't it? Many sightseeings are there, not only in our city but outside the state. Outside the Telangana states and other cities, big cities, we feel like seeing that, the historical places and all. But we have to be very careful when you are. Okay, now let us discuss. The first point is what? Danger from traffic. Danger from traffic. What are those traffic? See, when we are using the vehicles, we have to follow the traffic rules. So we have to follow certain rules on the roadside, whether it is in the city or outside the city. On the highways also we need to follow certain rules. That is limited speeds on the highways. Now danger from the traffic. There are on every and each road, every step by step, there are traffic rules. If you don't follow those traffic rules, then we will be charged penalty, isn't it? So that is why traffic rules. So whenever you are walking on the roadside, both the sides you have to see, left and right, and then only you cross the road. Always follow the zebra crossing when you are crossing the road. Zebra crossings are there, and then you have to, whenever the red light follows, whenever the red light falls, that time you have to cross the road, isn't it? Then if the vehicles are coming behind you, then also you have to look here and there and then cross the roads. Always the first rule is what? When pedestrians, footpath is there, walk on the footpath. When you are getting down from the footpath, look left and right and then get down from the footpath. Hear the sound of vehicles and then only you and show the sign. The road signs are there. Show when you are taking turn. That time you have to show your hand and then take the turn. Always, whenever the motorcycle, when you are driving the motorcycle, you need to follow the roadside rules, traffic rules. Traffic police is there. He will show you all the rules and regulations. What are there? So in the city also we cannot exceed the limit. There is a limit for the speed vehicles. Do not run on the roadside. While crossing the road also, don't get panic and run to cross the road, because the vehicle which is coming behind you or coming from the side, they will not be knowing whether you are crossing or not. Zigzag. So it takes very dangerous thing. So that is why you have to follow certain rules. So wherever the follow the foot over bridge, wherever the foot over bridge is there, you can climb that, climb the staircase and get down it from one side to other side. This is the foot over bridge. See, these are the steps here, then here, this is the bridge, and when then again you can get down from the steps. So in the middle, this is the road which goes. So this things where there is a road, bridge, foot over bridge is there, please use that foot over bridge. Otherwise, will be in danger while crossing the roads and while driving the cars or vehicles or nearby your house also. If you are riding a cycle, you need to look after, follow the traffic rules. Then secondly, danger from strangers. Danger from strangers. What is that? Means suppose you all are young and you go outside. If it is late, dark, somebody, unknown person, strangers means what? Unknown person may call you by showing something, biscuits or chocolates or something. Something they will show you which will attract you and you will go away. No, you have to see the face of the person and make sure that whether he is your uncle, brother or sister or anybody, do not go without seeing him, looking at his face. Okay, and make sure that wherever you are going, you tell your parents that you are in the so and so area, in the friend's house, and you are safe. So they may come to pick you up or they may call you, but you have to tell them wherever you are, tell the address. This is the most very important thing. Danger from the strangers. So don't leave your hand wherever you are going for the show or exhibition, to see the exhibition or these things. So there also you don't leave your parents' hand, catch hold of their hand and be with them. Otherwise there is a danger from the strangers only. Now third point, danger from animals. See children, animals are also, they also get scared from the human beings, because some children, they are very naughty, they take the stone and start pelting toward the animal. This is not good. So that is why don't go near the animals. Do not tease them. Do not tease them. You be away from them, from the animals. Okay, danger from animals. Maybe the street dogs. Street dogs, they bark and they come to you. That time what you have to do? Little bit, wait for some time. Those dogs, just they will smell and they will leave you. If you are carrying something also, don't carry anything with you. Just leave like that and stand there for a second and then they will smell and go away. Do not get scared of those dogs, but do not tease them, be away from them. So now danger, fourth point is what? Danger at school and playground. Danger at school means in what way it is danger in the school? When you are getting down from the staircase. So if you are in a hurry and playing in the corridor and playing in the classroom, inside the classroom on the benches if you are playing, that is very dangerous. You may fall because you should not play in the classroom. All the benches are there. You may get somewhere in the hurdle and you may fall down. So that is why you have to play outside the classroom. This is the danger at school. So be slow, wait for your turn. Whenever you are playing, playground, whenever you are playing, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. When you are playing football and all other things. So merry-go-round is also there for small children. So that also it is there. Then you can play the other things are also there. You have to, when you are getting the steps. So then also wait for your turn till the other one gets slipped off. Means playing the game. So these are the things. Now I'll show you a few pictures how it can be danger from the. You can open your page number 178. Danger from the traffic. So you should not, when you are walking on the roadside, do not talk with your friends and all. Just see. And the people who are crossing the road, they are using the foot over bridge. Isn't it? They are using the foot over bridge. One is climbing the steps, and you can see the people who are crossing the road, they will get out from the other side of the road. These are the pictures you can see. And when you are traveling in a bus, you should not peep through the window. Do not take out your head or hand outside the window. This is very dangerous. Okay. Strangers, as I told you, and danger from animals. Here you can see this picture. The people are walking. The other one is also staying away from the animal. And see, the dog is running after them. But then also these children are not pelting the stones or anything. They are coolly walking on the roadside. They are away. And the playground also. At school, in the playground, see, slowly you can get down from the staircase. One after the, keep distance. Follow this rule. Keep the distance of 2 hands and then get down. Whenever you are playing in the ground also, do not pinch or do not beat others unnecessarily for the ball. Do not run around or jump. Never rush up and down the stairs. Always walk slowly. Playing is fun, but you can get hurt at times. When you play a game, wait for your turn. Do not push or fight with anyone. Do not run around or jump in the classroom. Okay. These many things we have covered here in this. So I hope you will follow the rules in and outside the house. Okay. So please open this book, read this lesson again and again. In the next class, we will study about the first aid. Thank you.